How the hell?
Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, lying to Pensacola.
Shut up.
Nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, South Mobile Bay.
Not. I wasn't beating.
Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Pensacola Bay, Viga Lagoon, West Santa Rosa Sound, Pensacola Pass, Perdido Bay, Gulf Shores Beach, Fort Pickens, Montserrat Bay, and Pensacola Bay Bridge. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
Wow.